Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cedar County, southwestern Scott County, northeastern Muscatine County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rochester, or 7 miles south of Tipton, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Emergency management relayed a report of quarter-size hail in Rochester. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wilton around 9:05 p.m. Sunbury around 9:10 p.m. Rain around 9:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Stockton, Plainview, Maysville, Walcott, and Bluegrass. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for east central Iowa. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for east central Iowa.